Well, you may see about this sound effect. Well, it is from a iMovie. So when you hear it, it's actually came from iMovie. When you put it reverse and then play, you think that you think that Plain Rock 124 bumped you here? Yes, it is. That's like a flashback or so.